Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not working on PC. First, always confirm your computer meets Roblox's basic system requirements to ensure smooth operation. A simple restart of your personal computer and your internet router can often resolve temporary glitches, restoring connectivity and functionality. It is also wise to quickly check the official Roblox server status page. Sometimes, the issue lies with their end, not yours. A stable internet connection is crucial for Roblox. Confirm your download speed is at least 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. Your antivirus software or firewall might be mistakenly blocking Roblox, so temporarily disabling them can help identify if they are the culprit. If these steps do not work, a fresh reinstallation of Roblox often fixes issues stemming from corrupted game files, providing a clean start for the application. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of game performance problems. Ensure yours are updated to their newest versions for the best experience. If you are using an older operating system, try running Roblox in compatibility mode, which can resolve unforeseen conflicts. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming significant system resources, freeing up power for Roblox to run smoothly. Accumulated temporary files and cache data can sometimes hinder Roblox. Regularly clearing these can improve its stability and performance. For persistent issues, performing a clean boot helps isolate software conflicts, allowing you to identify problematic programs. If all else fails, reach out to Roblox support directly, providing them with comprehensive details about your issue and the troubleshooting steps you have already taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.